For the best price, click the link in the description. I know you're looking for a reliable and efficient hair clipper to keep your grooming game strong. The SUPRENT Hair Clipper has been on your radar, but I'm about to blow the lid off its true capabilities. But here's what surprised me when I got my hands on it. This thing is not as amazing as everyone claims. First off, let's talk about what makes a good hair clipper. You want one that's easy to use, has long battery life, and can handle thick or thin hair with ease. Sounds simple enough, right? Well, the SUPRENT Hair Clipper checks most of these boxes, but there are some red flags you should be aware of. The design is sleek and modern, I'll give it that. It's a stainless steel blade that looks like it would last forever, and the ergonomic handle makes it comfortable to hold even for extended periods. But when I started using it on my own hair, I noticed something strange. It was leaving behind uneven cuts and patches. Now you might be thinking, but how bad could it be? Well, let me tell you, this thing is a nightmare to clean. The suction mechanism gets clogged easily, and the oil reservoir leaks all over the place if you're not careful. I mean, who wants to spend their precious time cleaning up after a hair trimmer? I dug deeper into customer reviews, and it seems like I'm not alone in this issue. There are tons of people complaining about these problems, but for some reason, Amazon keeps ranking it as one of the best-selling hair clippers on the site. But here's where things get really interesting. The SUPRENT Hair Clipper has a very specific target market. Young men with short to medium-length hair who don't want to spend a lot of money. And in that regard, it does deliver. It's cheap and effective for its intended purpose. However, if you're someone like me with thicker or longer hair, be warned, this thing is not worth the hassle. I mean, have you ever tried to use clippers on thick hair? It's like trying to wrestle a greased pig. The SUPRENT Hair Clipper just can't keep up. Now that we've got the lowdown on this clipper, let me ask you, are you really getting what you paid for? Think about all those customers who complained about it leaving uneven cuts and clogging up easily. Would you want to join their ranks? Let's get back to the main event. The SUPRENT Hair Clipper has a decent battery life of around 2 hours on a single charge, which is pretty standard for most hair clippers on the market. It also comes with 3 adjustable guard sizes to help you achieve your desired length. But here's what really gets my goat, it's just so mediocre. I mean, have you seen the reviews where people praise it for being easy to use and having a nice design? Give me a break, easy to use. It took me an hour to figure out how to get the thing to work properly. Okay, let's wrap this up already. If you're still considering buying the SUPRENT Hair Clipper after everything I've said, I'd recommend taking a closer look at its Amazon reviews. There are some red flags waving in the wind there that can't be ignored. For your own safety and sanity, consider spending a bit more money on a better quality hair clipper that'll actually deliver what you need. Trust me, your wallet and your hair will thank you. Click the link in the description to find out where I found the best price for this hair clipper. Don't say I didn't warn you.